Hi, welcome to this video. We'll show how to create an atmospheric autumn scene in D5 Render with its new plant models. First, select the brush tool, choose some conifers like firs, and paint them over the background. Here's a tip to quickly cover the skyline: a wooded backdrop plane. Echoing the autumn vibe, some deciduous broadleaf trees will make the context look more layered and colorful. The fill tool comes in handy when you have a big lawn to decorate. Selectively remove patches of grass and introduce a different variety to those areas. The final flourish is an artful scattering of fallen leaves. If you look to spruce up the tree lawn, we've also got you covered. D5 Render curates a variety of vegetation models varying in height and type, from bare trees to lush hedges. Simply select your preference and incorporate them into your landscape design. Feel free to experiment and see what works best for you. To enhance the ambiance of the community setting, the addition of common elements such as distribution boxes, garbage bins, streetlights, cars, and exterior furniture will invigorate your scene. If you're looking for a thrilling shortcut to construct interiors with a single click, here's your solution. Interior parallaxes. It's akin to a window display on a flat surface. Simply choose the one you require and position it behind the window. Done! As simple as a breeze. To genuinely infuse vitality into your scene, remember to incorporate some figure models. Incorporating a few scratches onto the wall provides the subtle, yet perfect, finishing touch. Ultimately, draw a path for the flow of traffic. Reduce the speed for safety. Now move on to animation. Set the first and last frames. That's it. That completes our tutorial. Thanks for watching.